with you. In our English classes, you will know that there's something we call prefix and suffix in English. We know prefix, we know suffix, we know the base word. Now when you look at summation, you know summation is divided into two. Submission. The mission is the base word, and the sub is the prefix attached to the word to give it meaning. Now, what does the prefix sub mean? The prefix sub means under. It means under. You can browse it.
Yeah.
You can go to ChatGPT.
Get it right.
Huh?
That's it.
You understand that? The prefix sub, it means under. And it is being used with some words that I want to use also. For example, the teacher will come to class, will say topic. They'll be leaving and say subtopic. You understand that? So that's subtopic. Now, you have the word submarine. Submarine is a combination of words. Sub, marine like that. So you have to, it means that if that equipment does not go on water, it will not effectively function. You understand that? That like submarine. It is under. It has to go under. Yeah. So, if the topic in an English class, maybe it is parts of speech, the subtopic that we might accept will either be noun, pronoun, like that, right? Why? Because they are interrelated. The subtopic cannot be contradictory to the main topic. Why am I saying? The sub-mission cannot be contradictory to the main mission. Because if a woman is the sub-mission, that means that a man that she needs the sub-mission needs to have a mission.